So without further ado, probably about a week ago, and seriously it took like 7 days for it to reach. I was quite surprised because before this I have dabbled into buying things through Taobao, but I did it through a middle agent, and back in those days, which was like a couple of years ago, maybe 4 or 5 years, it took like a really long time for it to reach, because during that time I think air freight was really expensive, so a lot of people opt for shipping, and shipping takes a long time. So this is actually a China company, if I'm not mistaken. It is by the courier company 4PX. In Taobao you can see that there's actually a few options that you can choose from, but I went with 4PX on the recommendation of Adi. Right. I'm gonna make a small opening here. They're actually packaged really nicely. I ordered from 2 different stores and they consolidated it into one package for me, so it's easier and you don't need to receive it in multiple small packages, which is annoying sometimes. You just get one big package like this. So this is kind of how it looks like. Oh sorry, I think I ordered from three different stalls. So you have 3 different packages here. 1, 2, the white one, and then 3. Yeah. Sometimes you order too many things from Taobao, you've forgotten what you've ordered. So okay. I think I'll start off with this big package here. These are the items. They're so neatly folded. Oh, they're really stepping up their game. So let's just go into it. This is, I think this was a 2-piece. It was a top and a bottom. This is how it looks like. This is the top part. Not bad. Okay, so it looks something like this. Okay, so it's supposed to look like this. Okay, right, and then you can tie it behind. And the pants will be like this. So it's like high-waisted pants plus a crop top. I think, is there a size for this? Yeah, I got it in a size M. Oh yeah, I think this is a skirt. So it's a very simple skirt. You know, it's kind of, I think, going to be like knee length for me. And it has a slit or ruffle and a ruffle, a slit and a ruffle here. There is no lining, so I'm not really sure whether it will feel comfortable. But yeah, non-stretchable waist. There is a zip at the side here, and I also got this in a size M. Yeah, so that's it. So this one I got in S. Reason being is because it's smocked, so you know it shouldn't be too bad. I mean, it's stretchable, so if you get S, it should be able to stretch as well. A simple kind of like a smocked tube top. You can either wear it like this, or you have little straps here which you can hook on. Oh, I think this is a dress. This is like a... was it a dress or a pants dress? I can't remember. It's a dress. It's a dress with, you know, an opening at the side here to show off a little bit of your stomach, I guess, your love handles. It has a zip behind. There's a zip here. There is also 2 slits at the front. So you have a slit here. So that's it. This one I got in S size, and as I recall, it's a bit see-through, so I might need to wear like a tube top underneath it, or like, you know, an inner spaghetti strap piece. So it looks like this. Is a very fairly simple top. It's very low cut, so definitely you need to wear a inner piece. The sleeves are a bit ruffled and it's long, so nothing much I can say about. This is a top. So it's a top with some floral embroidery on top. It's quite good. I would have assumed that maybe they bought those kind of patch stickers and kind of just stick it on top, but it looks like it's embroidered onto, which is nice. And the labeling is really good as well. They actually have like proper labels, and you know, they even wrote down the sizes like the USA, Mexico, UK sizes. It's a simple blue top with, what do you call it, a kimono style, where you have to like tie it across your waist yourself. Okay, I'm really bad at describing things. Fashion is definitely not an industry I'm working in. If I haven't made myself very obvious with the way I'm describing it, I'm not really doing it justice, but I'm trying my best. So like I said, it's embroidered. Is it embroidered? Yeah, it's embroidered. I got this in a S size, like so, just like, looks a bit big, but you know, big is better than small. Yeah. So at least with this, I can eat until I roll a tummy, and it will hide it very well. From this store will be, they look almost the same, but it should be different. So this one is a bit more sexy. I'm not planning to wear it like this. I'll probably wear like a tube top underneath it. It's a halter front. Oh no. It's a halter front with a bare back. So then what's this? This part at the back there hangs really low, okay? You have the safety pants underneath it, so it doesn't matter if it's really short because you're still covered. So yeah, like this lah. Some ruffling in front here, and then underneath it is the pants. Okay. There's only 2 items in this package. Both are dresses. So first is this red polka dot dress. Again, something casual and simple enough for me to wear out. No lining, so maybe you might need to wear safety pants if you don't want the topang, because this material feels very light. So if the wind blows, the skirt might just fly out. So better to wear safety pants. I think there were sizes as well. I got this in S size. Okay, I'm a bit disappointed with this dress because there's no hole for me to loop this thing in. Because I can't be doing it like this, right? You have to come out from somewhere so I can tie it behind. Yeah, guess I have to figure out how to make a. Last item will be this dress as well. It's a dress that I'm planning to wear for dinner. M size, and it looks like this. The front area here is padded, so maybe you don't need to wear a bra. You need to try it first. It's actually smocked at the back here. So simple dinner cocktail dress with ruffles at the bottom. This one is lined. Yay! At least it's lined. But it seems really short. Overall, I'm pretty happy with all the items. There is one more package here, but this is for someone. I spent 400 plus ringgit. And then for the shipping fees, I think I paid another 40-50 ringgit on top. Look at the pile of clothing I have here. If I have the time, I'll make a try on haul. I'll do a try on haul. If I don't, then that's kind of it lah. So I would recommend this store. It seems that their quality is pretty good, workmanship is good. Again, these two things looks the same, so a bit disappointed, but styles are different, so I might like one style, I might not like the other style. This dress looks good as well, but it's a bit too short. The biggest disappointment will be this dress because there's no hole. Well, that's